Hey everybody, Mike Serwinski with MetaLogic Design. We use CallRail for our Google Ads call tracking, and recently they got rid of their mobile click-to-call integration. Okay, so if you have that set up on your campaigns and you need to make the switch, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm in one of my campaigns, and what you're going to want to do is get up here to the account level where you can see all your campaigns and ad groups. You're going to go over here to settings, and you're going to go to account settings. All right, so from here, you're going to go to call reporting, and you're going to make sure it's turned on. It already should have been turned on. And then down here, it says send Google Ads call data to a call analytics provider, and you're going to select on, okay? And then down here, you get to click your different options. You're going to click CallRail, okay? And then you're going to click Save. Now, when you're done with that, you're going to want to make sure that you go back into your CallRail account, if you still have it set up. And where you'll see the Google Mobile Click-to-Call extension, you're going to select it, and then you're going to disable it. Okay, and then that will allow the conversions to track in Google Ads. So I hope this helps. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. We're going to be putting out even more content, and hope to see you on the next one. Good luck out there. Bye.